Hello and welcome. My name is Isabel, and today I will talk to you about the Masters of Data Science 4+1 program at St. Mary's College, in addition to my undergrad as a music major. So, today we'll discuss data science and why you may like it, and we'll discuss the meaning of the 4+1 program. We will talk about the online experience and why St. Mary's, what is so special about St. Mary's. We'll discuss their flexibility for choosing your major and the outcomes of graduating with a master's degree in data science from St. Mary's. So, according to IBM, data science combines math and statistics, specialized programming, advanced analytics, artificial intelligence, machine learning, with specific subject matter expertise to uncover actionable insights hidden in an organization's data. These insights can be used to guide decision making and strategic planning. You may like data science if you have an interest in computers and programming, or if you like math and numbers. Additionally, it is great for people who can see themselves going into business and healthcare or scientific research. So, what is the 4+1 program? Essentially, the 4+1 program says that you will have 4 years of undergraduate studies and another year of graduate studies. So during your first 4 years, you will take your classes that count towards your undergrad degree. And then starting junior or senior year, you'll apply for the master's program and start taking classes for that. Your fifth year will be composed mainly of your classes that count towards your master's degree. And in 5 years, you will have your master's degree. And the additional program options are actually in process or being implemented at St. Mary's, and my friend Vianney will discuss those in her lecture. So let's talk about an online experience. Some people get scared away when they hear online, but all the classes, the graduate level courses at St. Mary's are 100% online. And this is great for people who are self paced, self motivated, and want to take their work with them anywhere. They want to travel with their work. They want to be able to do their work in other places than a campus. One of my favorite things to do was take my work with me to Starbucks and study in the cafe all day while I enjoyed my matcha latte and breakfast sandwiches. The nice thing about online classes is all of your stuff is on our learning management system, Blackboard, which will have all of your classes organized, the content week by week, and you'll easily be able to see your grades and your progress. So, what is so special about St. Mary's? Why St. Mary's over some other place? Well, at St. Mary's, you can expect a relaxed and close knit community with emphasis on women's right and empowerment. There is lots of flexibility with your undergrad, and you'll have your degree in 5 years, your master's degree in 5 years, which is highly marketable. Um, and additionally, though St. Mary's is a women's college, it is absolutely welcoming to individuals of all kinds of backgrounds, identities, and life experiences. Classes at St. Mary's for data science master's students are math and computer science oriented. Classes are quite small, so you'll expect lots of individual feedback from professors. You can expect great and intelligent professors, social networking, and a final comprehensive project to showcase what you've learned, your abilities, and whether that be through research or another type of project. You'll be able to show off your skills. So you're probably wondering, how did I major in music and actually be able to pursue a master's degree in data science? Can I choose any major? The short answer is yes. So, though most students that pursue a master's in data science have majored in a STEM related background, it's possible to choose any major, and your advisor will help you to tailor your schedule to fit your educational goals. And my friend Vianney in her lecture will discuss her experience as a statistics and actuarial science major. So, let's talk about my journey with music. My experience as a music major was kind of a pleasant surprise, but it gave me the best of both worlds. You'd be surprised to see how the different disciplines interact. Music has a lot of mathematical concepts, and there are some data scientists that can take that skill set, and especially if they're interested in pop culture or musical trends. That's one question that can be answered with data science, and that's very valuable to all of us. Um, In this following picture, this is me in the music lab at St. Mary's working on a video game that I was programming as well as composing a soundtrack for that. So that is a great example of mixing the computer science and math skills with music and creating something that's enjoyable and that makes sense. So overall, in summary, you can expect to be a well-rounded data scientist capable of solving complex and large-scale problems, and you can expect to be able to incorporate all of your interests into your skill set and to be able to find balance and peace in your education and future. Thank you for watching. I hope you took away something important and are a little bit more enlightened now on the experience at St. Mary's. If you have any questions, feel free to refer to the handout or chat with one of us after the lecture. Thank you.